I'm Rick Veers, and these are the Detroit Chop Shop Season 4 interns. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
We are here to announce that Adam Boyd is the winner of the SoundEffects.com drawing for a free copy of the Zombie Apocalypse sound effects library from Blastwave Effects. Yay! Woo! If you're jealous that you didn't win, well, you should be. But don't worry, you can always enter to win free prizes from SoundEffects.com by signing up for their free e-magazine. So, until next time, help me out, guys. Make some noise.
Make some noise.
Is that the right line? I told you we should rehearse this. Let me start off by scaring Willie.
No!
I'm Rick Veers, and these are the...